here at the Charles Darwin Institute of Biology, as you can see. So we're going to go talk to the man himself.
Hello, Jay Leno. I'm Charles Darwin, and this is my new book, Biology with Charles Darwin.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about the book?
Well, basically, it's about biology. I mean, what else is there? So, do you have any questions just about biology?
Some of mine, the Paleozoic man.
Oh, the Paleozoic era? Well, according to my book that I wrote, there's a lot of diversity of marine life during this era, and then there were 4 main periods, and then there was a mass extinction. That's a bad show.
Mass extinction. What is that? What's that?
Well, what this is a Tyrannosaurus Rex, not exactly from this period era per se, but close. You get so the Cambrian period. During this period, there was a diversification of life, and often it was called the Cambrian explosion. Many organisms during this period, gained shells and skeletons, and the first representatives of most animal phyla evolved in this period. Yes, brachiopods. These were similar to modern-day clams, but in no way related, and they did live during this period. Arthropods, yes. Arthropods are invertebrates with segmented bodies, jointed limbs, and an external skeleton. They were all throughout the Paleozoic era, but that's an interesting point. The Ordovician and Silurian periods were indeed next. And, during this period, arthropods became the first organisms to live on land. And vertebrates appeared, and the first land plants evolved from aquatic ancestors were simple plants that grew low to the ground. Oh dear. Let me backtrack. During this Ordovician and Silurian periods, the first land plants evolved from aquatic ancestors. These plants were simple plants that grew low to the ground in deep areas.
Wait, so you said something about...
Next to the Devonian period. Devonian period. During this period, plants began to adapt to drier areas. Insects appeared on land. Insects, indeed, are arthropods, Jay.
Does that mean Conan's an arthropod too? I kidding.
And also, the first sharks appeared during this Devonian time. Check out this one. Look at it, because fish and chips. I'm so glad. I'm looking at it just a moment. I can't stop my second thoughts. So, Jay, do you have any more questions? I still have not covered 1.5 periods. To finish out the Devonian period, vertebrates did begin to invade land. Do you know what a vertebrate is, Jay? Okay, we'll just skip that part for now. Let's see if I haven't covered anything else. Yes, the Carboniferous and Permian periods. Basically, during these periods, life expanded on Earth, and reptiles came from amphibians. Amphibians.
Pay attention, we've got an interview going on. Charles, what are you doing up there? Come on.
Sorry, I seem
No, it's like that.
I quite apologize. As I was saying, during the Carboniferous period, huge dragonflies, huge cockroaches evolved along with other winged insects. Swampy forests formed, and the most magnificent part of this is, the remains from these swampy forests formed thick deposits of sediment that eventually change into coal. Those are, in fact, the four, not 5, but 4 divisions of the Paleozoic era, which occurred before the mass extinction, were in fact 95, not 96% 95% of all complex life vanished from the Earth.
So, do you know anything about that mass extinction? Were they watching CMT or something?
This one's a riot! That guy is so funny! I don't know what he's saying. What?
I don't know what to do.
Do you know any jokes? He's shy. Okay. Do it again.
Jesus. That's the next one. That's what you should be like doing. You should be doing this thing. You could be doing this thing.
Okay. So would you like to come sit backstage and all the walking parts and all that, yeah?